Good morning. Sorry about that. It's your baby boomer Kitty Lane from the Peninsula in Virginia, here with another Create and Relate. Okay, here are the official rules and conditions of the giveaway. I was talking to my daughter and she said I was a little vague, so we wrote them all down and we're going to put them in the description box. Hopefully a little later on today, as today is the 7th. Okay, the official rules. You have to be living in the U.S. or have a U.S. mailing address. I will not be shipping outside of the U.S. I'm sorry. I'm on a tight budget. You must be at least 18 years of age, as YouTube views this as gambling. Number 3, once the winner is announced, they have until midnight Eastern Standard Time of the given date to email me at kittylane.createandrelate@gmail.com. I will then send you a confirmation email with further instructions. I or any representative will not contact you first with any request or disclosure of the winner. Number 4, if there is no acknowledgement from the drawn winner, the prize will roll over until the next giveaway. Number 5, my giveaways are solely funded by me. I am not sponsored by or a representative of any outside entity. This is my way of saying thank you for supporting my channel. Now the conditions, there's 7 conditions. Number 1, there will be 8 clue questions and a possibility of up to 15 entries. Number 2, you must have at least 5 correct answers, giving you 5 entries. And that's the minimum, 5 entries. So of the 8 questions, you should have at least 5 correct answers. Number 3, channel names will be written on popsicle sticks and entered in a non-clear container, meaning you can't see the popsicle sticks from the outside. Number 4, one winner will be drawn from the container on December 23rd. Number 5, the drawn winner will have until December 30th, midnight Eastern Standard Time, to send the acknowledgement email to kittylane.createandrelate@gmail.com. Number 6, you will receive an email from me with instructions on how to send your mailing address. Number 7, your package will be mailed the first week of January. And number 8, have fun. Okay, so I will repeat the first clue. The first clue was simply, where am I from? Where did I grow up? I speak of it all the time. Now, there are a possibility of 2 points with this question. If you give me just city, you only get 1 point. If you give me just state, you only get 1 point. If you give me city and state, you will get 2 points. If you get one of those wrong and the other one right, I will give you credit for that one. My daughter said I was being like really strict. It's not what she said, but I'm going to use the word strict. Okay, so that's repeating question number 1. So here is your number 2 clue. There's a possibility of 2 points for this one as well. What is my favorite thing to crochet? Now, if you're vague, you can get 1 point. If you're specific, you can get 2 points. Okay? Excuse me. So, repeat of question number 1. Where did I grow up? Where do I consider home? Where am I from? Repeat of question number 2. What is my favorite thing to crochet? I'm not going to make this video that long because I want you to focus on this one, because it has all the rules and everything in it. And I will show you real quick. I've only gotten here with my sweater because earlier today I was working on a poncho, but I'll tell you what happened with all of that in the next video. In the meantime, you guys take it easy. Don't forget, love yourself, because that is the greatest love. You can't give anyone else the love they deserve if you don't love yourself the way you deserve. Okay? And know that I love you. Until we meet again, peace.